Fake news! So this, my friends, is a mystery tech box that I've gotten from the wonderful guy, Adepti himself. Go support him, go check out his music. He's on Spotify and also YouTube. So without further ado, I'm gonna cut into this. Cut through the tape, cut through it all. Cut this side too. I feel like I'm cutting more than just the tape over here. Oh my god, it's literally the last thread. It's presenting itself to me. Okay. No way is there an actual projector in this thing. Oh, there's more of this tape. Okay. Oh, it just opens like this. It's not supposed to... Okay. Whoa! There's AirPods in here. Wait. There's AirPods in here. Ooh, what is that? With charging case 20. Are these Gen 2s? Ooh! Wait, are they in here? No. No, they're not. Okay. There's a Bluetooth speaker in here. Wait. Okay. Well, that turns on. What is this? It's a charger. It's a Motorola phone. Oh. Okay. How do I... Where's the... On. Oh, it's cracked. On. Micro USB. Okay. What other trinkets are there? Oh my gosh, it's a Game Boy watch thing that doesn't work. Oh, the buttons are so screwed up. Okay. Well, we have a power plug. We have Motorola phone. And we have the case for 2nd gen AirPods. And a Bluetooth speaker. We have this. Now from here, I can already tell what they are. That's fun. Oh, there's a ribbon cable. These are in pieces. Alright. Let's open it. Oh, there's something else on the top. Is this one of those like HP? This top one looks like one of those like HP, whatever they called it. HP Stream. That's what it's called. Oh my god. It is an HP. HP Stream. Oh my god, I was literally right. Hello. That's probably what the charger is. Actually, I think this is too big for it. Yeah, that's too big for it. Okay. Oh, we have a Dell. Oh. That's the bottom cover of it. Okay. There. Here it is. Oh, that battery. Oh. There's no hard drive in here. What did this ribbon cable go to? Oh, the fan. There's no fan in here. That is so gross. Windows 8. This had Windows 8 on it. Do I dare look at the inside? Oh, that's actually not terrible. The screen's not cracked. The buttons. AMD 10. What if I put a hard drive in here? I don't know. What does this take? That thing. This? Is that what this is? Yes, that is what this is. We're gonna give it power. That's probably a terrible idea. Is the battery even connected? Yeah, I might actually just steal the RAM from this thing. It's not turning on. Okay, yeah, this thing is a goner. And last but not least, we have this. HP. This is a chonker. Oh my gosh. This is definitely a chonker. Wow. I'm actually gonna plug this one in. Oh, that fits in way better on that machine. You guys get to see the screen. Power button. Oh. Okay. Oh, it beeped at me. Text good. Text good to 474747. What is this running? Windows 7 Home Premium. Oh, it has a CD drive. Oh, that's very helpful actually. After all that, we're gonna charge up this Motorola. You're gonna do something for me? Oh, yes it is. Okay. Oh. Oh. Interesting. Very cool little boot screen here. Starting services. Is this phone factory reset? And it cannot be sent and received because blah blah blah. Okay. Can't send your message. It will be sent when... Oh. Okay, I'll let you sit there for a little bit. You just sit here. I'm surprised this battery is so good. I'm like, that's actually impressive. This HP is fine. This HP actually does not seem to have anything wrong with it. Besides the thing, the BIOS or whatever it was being locked. Give me this. Give me access. Yes. How much RAM? There's 3 gigabytes of RAM in here. This is held on by another screw. So now, now we can take that out. We need to unscrew, carefully remove the hard drive, carefully, very carefully. There, beautiful. This is a 320 gigabyte hard drive. I'm curious about something. This is the SSD that went to my PC, but now because I have a terabyte SSD in it, I'm gonna see if I can use this. I'm gonna go ahead and snap that into place. Let's plug it in. 3 gigs of DDR3 RAM, let's go. Wait, let's see if I can... Wait, it was doing something. What was it doing? Wow, it is not happy. Not happy at all. No, sir. Give me my drive back. I don't have to be nice to you anymore. Give me it back. Okay, let's, oh, sure. Risk killing my SSD. Okay, you have a hard drive now. Oh, it smelled gross. Where's the power button? Here it is. Yeah, I don't think it works, guys. Okay. Give me no, I don't have to be kind to any of you anymore. You don't need to ruin my SSD. I'm really curious about this one though. Oh, is the screen actually damaged? No, it doesn't look like it. Oh, 4 gigabytes of RAM. 32 gigabytes of eMMC. That's basically an SD card in your laptop. Does this run Windows 8? Do I have a charger for one of these? I don't think I do. Let's actually test that Bluetooth speaker. Smart auction. There you go. What is this? Does it even say what it is? BTS 20, that's what it says it is. Okay. Oh, guys, look at the lights. Whoa. Speakers right there. You stay there. Speakers here. Let's play a song. It's a Bluetooth speaker. I mean, what do you want? It works. It works. It's a Bluetooth speaker and it works. Okay, let's get to the Android phone here. Wow, it is cooked, dude. It can't even last a second off the charger. Thank you all for coming to this very interesting video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more stuff like this, maybe leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.